Hello, my people. How in this video we will see how to fix our rider's connection error. And the first and the most important part is search this in Google, and we have any solutions. The first here, primary solution for PC. Verify games files in Steam. Right-click Arc Riders, Properties, next install files and verify integrity. Step 2, flush DNS, renew IP. Open command prompt as administrator. Type this code. Step 3, change DNS server. Go to Network and Sharing Center, Properties, Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following DNS server addresses. Step 4, Network Reset. In Windows Settings, navigate to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, and Network Reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check time settings. Ensure your system time and date are set to automatic in Windows Settings. 6. Disable VPNs firewall. Turn off VPNs as they can disrupt authentication and ensure the game is allowed through the firewall. We have Xbox specific fixes. Hard reboot. Completely power down the console and unplug it for 60 seconds. Check Insider Program. Ensure your Insider build is activated. Omega Branch, Recommender, or leave and rejoin the preview. 3. Verify account status. Check that your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is activated, as login issues can masquerade as network errors. And we have game-specific fixes. Easy Anti-Cheat. Ensure the Easy Anti-Cheat service is running in Windows Service. Disable voice chat. So user report that disable in-game voice chat prevents disconnects and whitelist domain. If using restricted networking, whitelist this. If issues persist, it may be a server-side problem requiring you to wait, or you may need to contact Embark Studios support. And well, that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.